Now it's time to play a little. I'm going to create an ortho from one of our 3D models. I'll walk you through the steps to set up your model scales and display options. Let's start by opening our 09 model. From the ribbon menu, choose the Create Ortho Overview panel. We'll create a new drawing and call it 09_ortho. In the 3D model selection, ensure Equipment and Structural are turned on. Starting with the top view, I'll adjust the view by dragging it slightly to exclude the secondary tank, keeping only the piping visible in the plane view. Next, I'll switch to the front view and decide whether to include everything, including footings, or just show elements from level 0 up. Back in the top view, ensure the ortho cube is set to the correct perspective. For match lines, I'll enable them. Since we're not sectioning any parts or adding cross sections, we don't need to worry about the cut pipe symbol. Moving to hidden line piping, I'll select Show All Hidden Lines. Now, let's look at the paper check. I'll zoom out slightly and verify the size of the title block. There's room to make adjustments, so I'll try different settings, like changing the scale from 3/16 to 1/8 or 1/4 inch. I'll settle on 1/4 inch as it looks appropriate. When ready, I'll click the Create button to generate the view. Dragging the viewport into the drawing area, the flat 2D section is quickly created. I'll zoom in to review it. The scale relative to the title block aligns with our chosen settings. Match lines are placed using northings and eastings based on the model's orientation in model space. The final view excludes the vessel to the left, displaying only what was specified. Hidden lines are visible, along with grating. Visibility options can be adjusted for further customization. This process makes it easy to create the drawing. That's our ortho with a single plane view. In the next lesson, we'll explore making modifications and adding additional views.